Welcome to BeBalance, where relaxation meets intentional self-care. Today, we'll be using essential oils to center and calm the mind. Pick your favorite calming oil, like lavender or chamomile, and place a drop on your wrists or behind your ears. Close your eyes and take a deep inhale through your nose. Hold the breath for a moment, then exhale slowly. Take a deep breath in and hold for 4. And exhale for 4. Take one more deep breath in and hold for 4. And exhale for 4. Let the calming scent fill your senses. Now, focus on the smell of the essential oil. How does it make you feel? Does it remind you of a peaceful place or a comforting memory? Let it bring you back to that moment of tranquility. Let your shoulders drop and feel your body becoming lighter with each exhale. As you sit in the stillness, let any tension in your body slowly melt away, leaving you centered and calm.